today I'm going to show you an easy way to go in and set up your terms on the AR and AP side. You'll go to your Applications menu, click into Accounts Payable. On the Setup side, you'll go under More, you'll see the terms. You can either click the plus sign to add a new term, or you can click into Terms, and you have a set provided to you out of the box. They are also able to be customized, so you can click the Edit button and customize them to your company's needs, or you can hit the Add button and add your own payment terms. Same with the AR, Accounts Receivable, you'll go into. In the Setup side, under More, you'll see Terms. Click into your terms, you'll see a similar set out of the box for you. Again, you can drill into them in the Edit and customize to your company's needs, or you can add a new term and fill in all the pertinent information for your company and your needs. So that's it. That's how you set up terms in the AP and AR module. Thank you.